Conditions remaining bullish in this bull market. Bull market rank sitting at 25.62, the upper end of this current momentum range. If we jump over and look at buy-sell ratio, looking at 2.64 currently on that ratio. Bulls in control here. With a decent move that we've had here the last couple of days. If we jump over and take a look at the S&P 500, seeing that, holding that support level and working on that breakout point right here, just around that 600 level on SPY, continue to have strength, not in the extreme area here. Also, if we jump over and look at the sectors, also seeing broad-based participation in sectors, not quite all into that upper zone yet, but we are seeing base material, healthcare, technology with shorter-term uptrends as well, so they're moving in that direction. Commodities, let's jump over and look at gold to see what it's been doing. GLD still sitting inside of that, between that 236-382 range on support, and holding up right around that 239 range. Nothing too exciting quite yet on gold. It's still continuing to hold in that upper retracement zone. Same with SLV, counter trending this corrective zone in that 50% 618 location on SLV, and also seeing USO. Let's see where that one is at today. USO still not doing a whole lot. We've talked about this for the last few months now. It's just been pretty tight inside of this range, tight consolidation, kind of an ugly price pattern here, as well as it's not doing a whole lot. And 69 is the low end of that range, 74 the upper end of that range. If we jump over and take a look at, actually, let's jump back and look at bonds. This is one that is finally starting to have a decent little move right here. Let's jump back to that 6-month time frame, and we've been talking about this zone for quite some time in that it's retracing. Sorry about that. Let me pull this back, and we've got this confirmation move now back up into that 90 range, 93 range, and looking for some additional confirmation there. That's a good sign that bond markets believe that things are the economy is in a situation that interest rates can come back down a little bit. Remember, as bonds are going higher, interest rates are dropping back down. That's TLT, that's the long end of that yield curve, and SHY, which is the short end of the yield curve, also finding some support right here. So we're seeing support in bonds. We're seeing the stock market find some strength. We're coming in seasonally. December typically is a pretty decent year into November, December, the Santa Claus rally, and so continuing to have some bullish activity here. Let's jump over to the muscle stock group. A couple to point out today. WULF, which is in the crypto mining space. We're seeing some of those crypto miners start to move back into momentum. Seeing that here on WULF. And the other one that there's several here, CIFR, also in momentum. Seeing AMSC, semiconductor space, some nice looking names that are in the upper end of that group. We're also seeing Tesla a little bit deeper in that move. Tesla's in that momentum zone, holding up right here above 236, that 317 range, and could see some continuation here out of Tesla as well. A couple ideas for you to consider today. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.